Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LendingClub Investing to explore personal finance options. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with LendingClub Investing, first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in lendingclub.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the Invest option on the home page. Click on Invest to access the investing section of the site. Next, locate the Sign Up button if you don't have an account yet. Fill in the required information to create your account, including your email and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and verify your email address. Once verified, return to the LendingClub website and log in to your account. Navigate back to the investing section after logging in. Set your investment preferences by answering questions related to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Review any educational materials offered by LendingClub to better understand the platform. Once you are comfortable, you can fund your investment account. Select the Fund Your Account option and choose your funding method. Follow the prompts to link your bank account and transfer funds. With your account funded, explore the available investment options. LendingClub offers a variety of loans. Browse through them carefully. Select the loans that match your investment strategy and click on them for more details. After reviewing, decide how much you wish to invest in each selected loan. Confirm your investments by clicking on the Invest button for each loan. Track your investments regularly through your dashboard to monitor performance. Adjust your strategy as needed based on the returns and risk levels. Now you're on your way to exploring personal finance options with LendingClub Investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.